Hey, it's that same causeway way that it was last night, headed to the island. And wow, yeah, this doesn't even begin to show it, but we are having a windstorm. We're gonna have 100 kilometers or more, and it is just nasty already. This doesn't even do it justice. That poor sailboat was hauled off the causeway last storm and went in this direction, and she's making her way over now. Yeah. It's gonna be a lovely day. Good thing it's warmed up a little bit here, +2. Still chilly in the wind chill. Good thing it doesn't give much rain, because, well, let me tell you, it'd be a soggy one. The trees wouldn't do very good. Trees aren't doing too good now. Like I say, you can go either way here, but I'm gonna go this way. Let's tell you what's up here today. I went off before lunch to get some things, because it's pretty poopy and stormy and power might go out and whatnot. We're having steak for supper, so I went and got some mushrooms and onions and all that to put on the steak. And I was running out to the truck because it's pouring. I was in a hurry. My phone fell in my darn pocket. It's been sitting in the rain. Got home, no phone. Called Sobe. Someone found it in the parking lot. Brought it inside, so I had my lunch. Went back off and got it. And well, the last bag of smokables that I bought, I don't know. Wasn't the same strand that I've been getting for that deal at the liquor store. So I went and treated us to another bag and a little vape tip here. Switch it up, because it looks like we might be sitting in the dark. Well, I won't sit in the dark, but I'll be sitting with the generator going, watching some TV, Netflix, whatever I can watch, DVD, something. And the road's still a little icy here. Yeah, right here is kind of not really in the lee, but like it's not right ripping on the ocean either. So, just to show you what's up, give you a little ride, a little tour, we'll see what's up. Neck of the woods, icy, big corner, look at that, pretty. That's the ocean. This is not a highway, but this road here like skirts the island really. Most roads around here do that. So it's the ocean. Put my window down to show you here. We lived here on this stretch here in a rental when the house burned down. She can get pretty nasty here. Not right deep there, that's just Barron's Bay. Now we're having some wind today. Didn't even know if you could hear me when I had the window down talking. Hello. Kids got let out of school early today, early dismissal. $20,000 in the Looney Jar. Oh, he's talking about the Looney Jar tonight. Big one, I guess. Yeah. Really hard to show any of this weather, it seems sometimes on here, but it's pretty windy. You can hear, oh, the blue jay just come out and went back in a hurry. It's kind of windy, the water's gathering up, it's not draining well. You can hear the wind, and you need some more water, a lot of water on the side of the road. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. Make a video. Oh, there's a big tree down right there. I don't know if y'all caught that, but big tree down. Ice on every corner. It's 3 degrees above. That's Celsius. the Cripple Creek Wharf down there. Yes, this is homeward. Homeward bound, homeward stretch here. Tree down in the ditch, something popped off. I wasn't like that earlier. Live on this stretch, and this is right on the ocean, as you've seen out my front window before. The wind is pretty much just right, going to be blowing right off the water and up onto our front of the house area. Trees are blowing. That's that, folks. That's the ride on the Cape. Oh, that big tree down there, look at it. Oh, doggy, we might lose them ones, I don't know. Tell me what you think.